G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is the launch of October Masterclass and I have my Cruella de Vil vibe happening here because of course our project, as you've seen, is a beautiful Dalmatian. So a gorgeous large Dalmatian art doll and very Disney in style. He can be made up very simply in felts. A great project for if you're thinking about joining Masterclass. This is a good one to jump in on because he's got lovely big pieces. Most of the work is done, I've already done for you in the design, and you've also got options with this one to make this one up as a Labrador. So all of those people who have been asking me for a lab pattern, you've got 2-in-1 here, and of course labs come in so many colours. So I'm excited to be able to offer you this one. So I have named my boy Artie after a character that I created for a children's book, an illustration that I did, and it is a Dalmatian with blue eyes. And called him Artie because he's a little bit artistic, and you'll see that his little details really sort of amplify that. So I hope you enjoy seeing him. Let's go and have a closer look. So here is my beautiful Dalmatian. Now this is a large art doll and he has been put together in felt. So this is a fully felted project. Very, very simple. Most of your work is already done in the pattern. So you're going to get some really good results here. Also, the beauty of this project is that you can make this one up as a young Labrador. So many of you have been asking me for some of the larger breeds, and this pattern allows you to make up quite a few. So you've got, of course, your chocolate labs, your golden labs and your black labs, and of course the beautiful Artie, who is a Dalmatian. I've given him blue eyes. There is a gene that runs through Dalmatians that can give them blue eyes, and I do love that look. My original character that I drew for my book had blue eyes as well. So you can see that he's been put together. He's wearing a gorgeous pair of woolen overalls. They are such a comfortable doll, the large art dolls. They look so relaxed. And it's a beautiful project to work on because of the size. So if you've been thinking of jumping over to Masterclass, this would be even a great one to start with. We've got sculpting in the nose. We have an overlick. We've got some beautiful thermoplastic in those ears, and of course you get this gorgeous novelty scarf, a lovely little pencil with an eraser on the end, just something a bit fun. Now you can make your Dalmatian up as a black and white as I have, or as a liver, or even a lemon. So there's a few different colours there to go with. Jointed as always, and with extra joints at the elbows and the knees. So all of the clothing, I have patterns for you for those. And it's just, I've thoroughly enjoyed making him. It's just actually a very relaxing make. So, and the beauty of the big art dolls is that you can go back over through my channel here on Pay It Forward, and there's so many little characters that you can make up that can be their companion. And I didn't even think of this until he was all put together, and I went, I know who's the perfect companion for Artie, and that is Lovebug, of course. How beautiful do they look together? Take fabulous photographs, and also he also looks beautiful sitting next to Ducky, my lovely schnauzer, of that same large art doll size. So I hope some of you are tempted, and I hope to see more of you come across and give Artie a try. So thank you all for joining me and having a look at my beautiful Artie, all ready for October Masterclass. Now for my giveaway this month, I'm going to be selecting somebody at random from our Facebook group. So if you haven't joined our Facebook group, the link is down below. Come along and do that. I'll just be selecting someone who is sharing their work, making lovely posts, somebody at random, and I will be sending out a giveaway pack to you. Full of my favourite things, so all sorts of things, my favourite threads and so on that I use and I think you might find useful. So come along and join that Facebook page. You can share any of your Lisa Pay creations, whether it be Masterclass projects or right here on Pay It Forward projects, and we'd love to see you there, and we would love to see your work. So share away and you might be up for a beautiful giveaway prize. So if you feel like you might like to step up and Artie has tempted you to step up to Masterclass, then the link for Masterclass is down below as well. You simply click on that link and you'll be taken to Patreon. It's a different platform. The cost is very low and it is a subscription-based plan. You can unsubscribe at any time. You can pay just for 1 month or for a year, totally up to you. And you get the entire library of Masterclass projects. So not just this month's, you get everything that came before, all the video tutorials and free patterns. So it's definitely worth coming and having a look. And if you are going to start with a project, this little guy is actually a good beginning project. Now remember that Masterclass is most suited to intermediate and advanced sewists. So if you're wondering about that skill level, that's about where it's at. So, but if you were ever going to jump in and try, this is a good one to begin with. So I look forward to seeing more of you there. In the meantime, look forward to some beautiful new patterns here and projects right here on Pay It Forward. I've got some new exciting things for you coming up, and of course they'll all be free as always. In the meantime, everybody, keep on being creative, stay safe, and remember to pay all of those good things forward. And until next time, it is hooroo from me.